Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase of Rocky Mountain. Thank you for checking in. Today we're showing you the Barricade from Tusk for the Polaris RZR Pro R and the Turbo R models. This is the perfect solution for two things. One, to maximize your bed storage capacity, but also just to give you that peace of mind that if you do have items in your bed, you're not too worried about those flying out or sliding out of the back of your side-by-side. So this is made from powder-coated steel. Lots of cutouts on here. I think it looks really good when it's all mounted up. And the mounting process is very simple. So we actually have a how-to video, shows you step-by-step how to get this installed, but there's no modification needed. So once you have this installed, you're all set, but it's also very easy to remove if you need to take it off for any reason. But like I was saying, inside here right now, we've got this cooler, we've got this big old dry duffel bag, some other items, but you could put some camp chairs inside here, your sleeping bags. You know, if you're doing some overlanding, it's really just gonna allow you to maximize your storage capacity. Now, even with this, we would still recommend that you tie down and secure the gear that you have in the bed. But it also, like I said, I feel like it increases the amount of cargo space that you have in the back as well, because now you can get products inside here, items, all the way up to the actual Barricade itself. So again, you're maximizing your storage capacity and you're getting that added peace of mind that items aren't gonna go flying out the back. If you have questions or comments still about this, we'd love to get those answered. So just leave those in the comment section below. To grab one for your side-by-side, just click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. When you're there, just enter the year, make, and model. You'll see the Barricade, plus all the other machine-specific parts that we have for your side-by-side. We ship for free over 75 bucks, and if you want to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and that way you'll stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.